Hello friends, you're welcome to the YAIN STEM Virtual Hub, your channel for amazing science experiments, epic engineering inventions, spectacular arts and craft activities that you can do by yourself at home. In today's STEM activity, we shall be dealing with heat conduction and transfer. Heat can be transferred from one material to another, and this can be shown using the balloon and the candle flame experiments.
We will see how an inflated balloon is heated up with a candle, and instead of popping, it will withstand the heat of the flame or fire.
Wow!
When a little secret ingredient is put into the inflated
Really?
balloon, wow! What's your secret ingredient? Water!
Now, when water is put into an inflated balloon and the balloon is heated up, instead of the balloon being affected by the fire or the heat from the candle flame, the water absorbs the heat and gradually gets hotter. And hence taking in all the heat from the candle flame, hence the balloon will not pop.
However, as the water gets more and more heated up, the heat will eventually be transferred to the balloon, which makes the balloon finally pop.
So join us as we explore heat conduction with a balloon and a candle flame experiment. Okay guys, we're ready for experiment right now, and we're doing the balloon and the candle flame experiment. But first of all, the materials we need a balloon, a candlestick, a lighter or matches, a bowl of water, a cup, and a funnel. So first of all, be very careful while you're doing this one because you don't want to get yourself burned while using the candle. And as a caution, like I said earlier, ensure to do this under an adult supervision. And then note the candle wax is highly flammable, so be cautious when doing the experiments. And then melting wax is hot and can hurt your skin if it touches, so please be careful when you're holding it. In short, atoms will help you do this very experiment. Now let's go with our experiment right now. So the first thing right now we're going to do is to pour in our water into the balloon. Using our funnel, you place it on the tip of the balloon and carefully get your water into the cup and pour in the water into the balloon. Alright, so you just carefully pour in your water into the balloon with the funnel's help. Alright, and just ensure it's enough in the balloon so it doesn't get too empty while you've inflated the balloon. Okay, we've done that now. You can take off your funnel from the balloon right now, okay? Now you're going to carefully inflate your balloon with your mouth. You want to try that? And you want to take off your hand glove just in case it's actually too disturbing to you. You can take it off anyway. And then let's blow our balloon right now. Okay, you carefully blow that. Carefully, as you can see. Alright, we're blowing our balloon right now. Alright, now it's okay. So we're gonna knot it right now. We're gonna tie the knots. We're gonna carefully do this too, so you don't spill it out of your balloon while you're working. Alright, okay. So haven't tied the balloon right now. You're just gonna carefully drop it, and then it's time to light up a candle, okay? Using the matches or the lighter, okay? Alright. Alright, we've lit our candle right now, as you can see. So next, you're gonna just lift up your balloon, okay? And then you're gonna put it on top of the candle flame, and let's see what happens first of all. Well, first of all, can we try it, the one that doesn't have a water? Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's going to happen with this one first, right? Let's see. Alright, first of all, I want to try this two things. Let's try the balloon on the candle flame, but first of all, the balloon without water in it. Okay, now the yellow one has no water. Let's see what's going to happen right now. Can we go and do that now? Let's see. Is it going to pop? Woo! You can see that? It just popped. And now let's try the second one. So like we just saw right now, the first balloon popped because there was no water in it. And so let's try it out with this one this time, with the water in this green balloon. Let's see what's going to happen if the balloon gets on top of the candle flame. Let's go. Is it going to pop? I hope not. It's not popping. Whoa! It's not popping. Can you see that? Wow! And that's because we have water in it, and the water actually absorbs the heat from the candle flame, right? Wow! Now, how long do we gonna get this one before it's gonna pop? Let's see. Can we count? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not popping. So that means the water absorbed the heat and the candle flame. And so we have the balloon being able to resist the heat. Now, so that's what we call conduction of heat by the water in this experiment. And so this is the balloon and the candle flame experiment, how to make a balloon not to pop under a candle flame. Sounds as fun, right? Wow. And don't forget to send me your comments about this experiment, and also to subscribe to the YouTube channel to be the first to get more of such videos. Send us videos of your activities on our Instagram pages too, and on any of our other social media platforms. Thank you so much for being part of this. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.